Hi, my name is Ronnie and I'm going to walk you through how to use Thredd. Thredd is a plugin for your browser that makes it easy to meet people who share your interests. Let me show you how it does that. First, I'll start off by installing Thredd. Okay, and now Thredd has been added to Chrome. So let's go into how to use Thredd. For this example, imagine that you're watching this YouTube video, but the same process applies for whether you're on Wikipedia or Amazon or any other site on the internet. When you see a red square appear over the Thredd icon, that means that results have been found. Clicking it reveals people discussing this page that you're on. You can click a post to read more. Also, every post has been made to an online community. In this example, this post has been made to r/guitar, a group of almost 430,000 guitar lovers. This post here has been made to r/guitar lessons, which could be even more useful for someone who's learning how to play guitar. If you click it, you can see a whole bunch of people giving advice on how to get better at guitar. I'm actually currently trying to learn how to play, so I'll subscribe to this group. There are also a couple ways you can interact with this group. If you have a question that you want to ask, you can create a post, or you can search to see if it's been asked already. Let's see, chord progressions. In this case, we have some pretty interesting results when I search chord progressions. So click here, read what's being said, read the responses, add my own thoughts. So you see there's a whole bunch of information that becomes available to you when you use Thredd. And that's it. I really hope you enjoy using Thredd. Thanks for watching.